Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how scientists discovered the first subatomic particle, the electron. We will see how experiment with cathode rays help to reveal this hidden world inside atoms. We will travel back to the 1800s when scientists could not look inside atoms but still made amazing discoveries. So these are the objectives that we will cover in this chapter. But today we are going to learn about what are cathode rays and discovery of electron, and rest we will cover in next video. So let's get start our topic. Now, let's talk about the discovery of cathode rays. In the late 1800s, scientists investigated gases. They took the sealed tube containing a tiny amount of gas, they set up an electric circuit and supplied huge voltage. Amazingly, the gases conducted electricity. In 1869, John Hittorf was the first to observe something very interesting inside a discharge tube. He noticed a green glow on the screen. The glow, he said, was caused by the rays from the negatively electrode. These rays traveled through the gas and hit the screen. These were cathode rays. These cathode rays were found to travel in straight lines, moving from negatively electrode, which is called the cathode, toward the positively electrode. This was very first step that helped scientists understand the behavior of particle inside atom. After the discovery of cathode rays, scientists still had a big questions in mind. What exactly are these rays? This is where scientist Joseph John Thomson came in. He thought about the cathode rays. He began with the simple questions: what are cathode rays? Are cathode rays charged? He thought creatively about his questions and suggested an explanation that cathode rays are electrically charged. Thomson collected evidence to test his idea. To answer this idea, experiments were performed. He tested by passing rays between electrically charged piece of metals. Guess what happened? That's exactly what happened. The rays bent toward the positively charged plate of metal. This means cathode rays are negatively charged. Thomson was pleased. The evidence supported his explanation. Cathode rays are charged. Their charge is negative. So this is how Thomson found out cathode rays are negatively charged: by asking a question, thinking creatively, and collecting evidence. Thomson asked more questions. He did some more thinking. Thomson passed the rays between metal plates. They always bent toward the positive plate. He collected more evidences. He concluded that cathode rays are made of particles. All the particles have the same tiny mass. They all have the same electric charge. He found something smaller than the atom. So finally, by 1897, Thomson had discovered the first subatomic particle, the electron. Finally, the evidence support the Thomson explanation, so it was accepted. This was a turning point in science because it showed the atom are not visible but made up of even smaller particles, the electron. He had discovered the electron that showed they must carry negative charge. So today we learned how cathode rays and electron were discovered. Next we will learn about model of